Hello students, today we will be studying about the concept where metal is reacting with other metallic solution and one of the metal is displaced. So the concept hidden in the reactivity series. For example, zinc is treated with copper sulfate forming zinc sulfate and copper is deposited. In other equation I am writing copper is treated with zinc sulfate forming copper sulfate and zinc is displaced. So in both equations are looking balanced and correct. But my dear children, out of these two equations only one equation is correct and one is incorrect. So for your current information, first equation is correct and the second one is incorrect. So on which behalf I am telling you whether this equation is correct or incorrect. The second one is incorrect. Reactivity series says that metals are arranged in the reactivity order. See, the benchmark is hydrogen. So here 2 points we will study. The above placed metal can displace the below placed metal. So first you compare their positions between two metals, like I am comparing in this equation the position of zinc. Zinc is displacing copper and in other equation copper is displacing zinc. So zinc is displacing copper, whether it can displace copper. So let's explore their position. Where is zinc? Here is zinc and here it is copper. So zinc is present at a above position, copper is present at below position. So this is the concept that above placed metal can displace below placed metal. Okay, but its opposite is not possible. So zinc is at above position, copper is at below position. So zinc is displacing copper, that is why copper is displaced. But in second equation, copper is displacing zinc. Is it possible, children? No, it is not possible. Reason, because copper is at below and zinc is at above. So copper cannot displace zinc. So this reaction is not possible. Now for any equation, any type of equation, you can compare their positions and then you can justify the answer. Suppose I am writing iron sulfate is treated with silver, then silver sulfate is formed and iron is displaced. Its opposite I am writing, where silver sulfate is treated with iron and then iron sulfate is forming with deposition of silver. Okay, so let's compare the positions of iron and silver. These are the two metals. Where is iron? Iron is here, silver is here. So it is above and it is below. So above placed metal can displace below. So iron can displace silver. So it is practically correct equation. But here silver is displacing iron, which is not possible because it is at below position and it is at above position. So this is the reactivity series. Reactivity series explains that highly placed metals are highly reactive. So if you compare these all elements, lithium is highest reactive metal. Its high reactivity is at the top and the bottommost metal is having the least reactivity. One more concept you can understand from this reactivity series. Those all metals which are above than hydrogen, they can react with acid and release hydrogen gas. But all below placed metal cannot release hydrogen gas. Like copper can react with acid, for example H2SO4, it can form copper sulfate but hydrogen gas releasing tendency copper is not having. So if you are thinking that this reaction is possible, it is not possible. Reason? Because copper is below, then hydrogen. But if you are thinking that any other metal which is placed above, that can displace. For example, calcium is reacted with H2SO4. So it is forming calcium sulfate and hydrogen gas can be released. So it is possible. Why? Because calcium is above than hydrogen. So thank you children. If you are having any query related to this concept, kindly write in the comment box. I will be happy to solve your problem.